What's up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. Got a ride and review for you today. Heading to Hill Country Barbecue with a bunch of food Instagrammers. So there's going to be a lot of food. There's going to be a lot of mayhem. It's going to be fun. We're going to be full and fat. And since I've been to Hill Country many times before, I'm just going to do the ride there. I'm not going to do the ride home. Kind of like what I did last time at Emilia. I've been here a bunch of times already, and I know I love the food here. It's one of the city's best barbecue joints, Texas style. They do great hot links and cheese links. They're fucking delicious. The brisket's really good. All of their ribs are good. They have a few different types of ribs: pork, spare ribs, baby back ribs. They do a dry rub on some, and they do a sauce, a couple of different sauces. One's regular, one's like a habanero sauce. It's really good. Their wings, oh man, let me tell you about their wings. Their wings are cooked 3 ways to get them just perfect. First, they're brined in like a water and vinegar and spices bath. Then they're smoked like you would smoke any barbecue, you know, in the smoker with wood fire. And then they're deep fried. That process makes for some of the most tender, crunchy, flavorful, juicy, all the way to the bone flavor. Best wings that you can even imagine. They're incredible. There's a few other barbecue joints doing that with their wings. I know Pig Beach does something similar. Really good wings there too. Hill Country also has a brunch now, which is fun. You know, go get fucked up. Bunch of Bloody Marys and margaritas and shit. They also do certain nights of the week. I think like Monday night is wings. No, Wednesday night's wings. Monday night is like all you can eat ribs. You pay a set price and you can pretty much eat as much as you want. I think they give you like an 1.5 or 2 hour time limit, which is reasonable. You can eat a lot of food in that amount of time. They do like a prime rib on the weekend, I think. Smoked prime rib. So Hill Country's on 26th, between 6th and 5th. So I just took a right on 6th. So it's about 10 more streets. What's this guy doing? Just fucking creeping out. So, you know, like always, make sure you jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com. Read the full review. Look at all the pictures. You see what I'm talking about when we get a mess of this food today. And then when you go, you let me know what you think. Shout me in the comments. Give me some feedback. Tell me if you think I'm wrong. I mean, there's probably some people out there that know barbecue. I've never been to Texas Hill Country, so I don't know that much. I know what I like here. Hill Country's one of them. Also like Hometown in Red Hook. Pig Beach in Queens. Man, what's going on? So let me know what you think. We're about to turn right, 3 more streets. And I know there's a parking garage up here because I've done a trip to Hill Country with the bike before. And I can just throw this in a parking garage, which is awesome. I think I paid $7 and I was there for 2-3 hours. Oof.
It's gonna go up and down.
Man, there's so much traffic today, it's crazy. All right. So there's 2 parking garages left and right, but let me just pull up on the restaurant so you get to see what the front looks like. Here we go. And then I'll catch you guys on the inside.
But I suppose I should video myself eating.
I live with this.
That thing looks crazy. I have a couple life seekers.
I didn't get it all in my face trying to bite the whole thing, but it sounds good to me.
They cut it super thick too.
I got you.
At least until February.
Yeah, yeah.
No, I can do that. You're already back in the boxes over there.